Okay, very quick unboxing of the SAMTIAN LED video kit. So in the box you have a case to carry all your bits and bobs. Good sturdy, heavy duty, comes with the strap, happy days. You get some instructions, you get the two lights, so move this over a bit. So I've opened one. So as you can see, they're quite small in size, but there's 200 LEDs in there. And as you see on the back, you've got the space for your battery, got a little power indicator on how much juice you've got left, space for your power cable to go in if you don't use the battery, you just want to plug it into the mains, and you have obviously power button and to increase the brightness, 10 different brightness settings. You also get a little diffuser and warming, so wider warming, depending on the kind of light you want, or you can obviously just use it as is. So two of those, exactly the same. Obviously it goes on the tripod, it's a pretty standard tripod attachment on there. So there's those two. We've got two power cables, as I said. You want to, one for each, plug them into the mains. Goes up there. Okay, here's a little box of goodies. We'll go through those, and then obviously with the two tripods. So I'll get this box away, sort of space. So in here we've got two batteries, battery pack for each, a charger for the batteries. Now the charger uses just one of the cables from the power adapters. So you also get, let's see, two remotes with batteries. Hello cat, this is Andy, everyone. You get two remotes, obviously, to adjust the lights from remote location, batteries for these, and then you get two little attachments to the top of the tripod to change the angle. The tripods, you'll see, just come with a pin on top, straight, so if you did loosen that, obviously then you can change the angles for 90 degrees or 45 or whatever you want. Okay, have a look at the tripods themselves then. One of these I have sort of already been through, so that's the tripod itself. As you say, pretty standard aluminium light, but it's really quite tall compared to like a camera tripod you might be used to. So obviously put that down, and then there's sort of two lengths, so you can go triple the length of this. So if we loosen these a little, we can put one out, and loosen this, put that one out as well. So I'll show you this in another shot, but really quite tall, which is great, and obviously just a little tripod attachment on the top where you can stick your little angle adapter there. So we've got two tripods, two lights, two power packs, two batteries, two remotes, two angle adjusters, one battery pack. So I'll let you have a look now how the lights perform. Hi, I'm Ben, and this is my review of the SAMTIAN LED video light kit. I'm sitting here in my hallway, and it's 8 o'clock at night, light's not great. If I turn on just a couple of lights we have, as you can see, doesn't do much. So I'm an amateur videographer, not much lighting experience, but obviously these lights are going to make a big difference to what I'd normally be using. So if I flick the lights on, here's one, just over here, another one just here, so you can see can make a massive difference. So say I've got two lights going here, so we're I think on max brightness, so obviously I can cycle that way down to be a little less crazy. I've got the warming diffusers on at the minute, so I'll just double check these are on the lowest setting, still playing about with them. So say you can, the switches on the back, independent for each one, or you can use, you've got two little remotes, and I'm just using one for both at the minute. So you can see, obviously it makes a massive difference. If we turn that one off, you can see just using one, or say if they're both off, you can see we're just back to how we were. So let's have a look at the angle. Okay, so I'm sitting in the hallway, 9 o'clock in the evening in the summer, white room, quite bright, space standard, just recording on your camera phone, but I say the lights do add a real professional look to your shots. So if I just turn the lights on here with the remote, just got a simple setup, key light at the front at 45 degrees and then a rim light at the back 45 degrees as well. So I think this is on max brightness, so that's on the lowest brightness, so I can whack this up a bit higher. So you can see good light coming off it, and that's with just the clear diffuser on. Switch that for the warming diffuser just to let you see. So yeah, that's it. That's just the variety of the shots you can get with this. I mean, the remote's great as well. So definitely recommend it if you want to brighten up your shots, your shop, your house, whatever. Very good.